So this is what we'll be anticipating for the day on our Bitcoin. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that yet, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel name to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold, on our Bitcoin. Sorry. First thing first, we need to start with the trend. You all know we would want to know the trend before we can predict what market will be doing. And as it is very clear, which is on a weekly time frame, it is very clear that the trend on our Bitcoin is on a downtrend move, right? The overall full bigger picture on Bitcoin is on a downtrend move. But we would want to be looking at what market is doing currently, and we will see that on the current movement we are trending up, which is just a minor movement right here. So on this minor movement, market is pushing up. So it is not of a surprise that market is pushing up. So this is the first push up and the pullback is. This is the second push up and the pullback is here. This is our third push up, right? We should be expecting a pullback phase next. So a pullback phase is what we'll be expecting next on Bitcoin. Now, when you go to your forward time frame, you can clearly see that at first when markets push up, we had this pullback. Market eventually was able to push up again. And now what can you be expecting less again on Bitcoin? We should be expecting a pullback. So we should expect this Bitcoin to drop. There was a pullback to at least a level of 96300. Remember, it should close, the candle should close bearish. That is when we will know that it gave us a pullback. If the candlestick does not end up closing bearish, right, that means we would not take it as a pullback. So basically, our next movement is a pullback that should drop, and that pullback should open and close bearish. So more updates will be covered for you guys on our Bitcoin. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like and share.